Bird is moving south-southwest, pace steady, all clear on the east flank, over. Hold the line steady, the calf is moving up, we have clearance to proceed. Monitoring stability now, looks good, the animals are settled, we're proceeding to the route.
Conveyor is active. Elephants are stable. Proceeding to the main hall.
Bay 3, confirm harnesses secured. We are ready for transport initiation on my mark.
Hoist 3, lower primary hide to station 2.
Roger that, lowering now. Clear the belt.
Keep the alignment steady on the left guide. The brushes are engaging now.
Roger that, alignment holding steady. We are clear for cleaning.
Speeding up the rollers now, watch the edges. We've got a heavy one coming through on the left side. Clear, engage brushes.
We're approaching the rollers. Maintain current speed and tension. Over.
The first hide is clear for the tunnel. Activate rinse sequence alpha.
Conveyor stopping now.
Copy that, timing confirmed. Hooks ready on tank 3.
All right team, lift on my count. 1, 2.
Hatch is secured, pressure steady. Slow the belt down, we're approaching the racks. Copy, drop it to speed 2. And hold it there, prepare to lift. Gauge reads semi-dry, slow the belt down now. We're ready for clamping on line 2.
All stations, cycle start in 3. Pressure levels nominal.
We need more steam on table 3.
Acknowledged. Increasing flow now.
We are ready for immersion on the green tank. Control.
Acknowledge, proceed.
Control, this is station 4. Increase roller pressure by 10 airspeed.
Over. All right, team, cycle start sequence initiated. Watch the tension levels.
Copy that. Sequence is green. Rack 7 is clear. Move to the ground hideout next. Over.
Team A to control, requesting temperature adjustment for the navy blue lot.
Over. Roger that, increasing heat by 3 degrees.
WPH team, secure the red hide. Over.
Copy that, clamps released. Moving to conveyor.
Watch for folds near the rollers. We need more speed on the main conveyor. Adjusting panel WPH3 now.
Copy. The brown hide is approaching the drum. All clear.
Increase the speed by 5%. We need more oil on the green hide moving through sector 4.
Lowering the top plate. Watch the edges on that tan skin. Pressure's engaging now.
Speed steady at 0.5. Alignment looks good on this side. Keep the pressure constant. Maintain pressure at 60. Roger that. 60 psi confirmed. Shine is optimal. Speed looks good. Keep it steady.
Copy that. Steady speed maintained. Copy that. Dimensions confirmed. 2 by 3 meters on the Navy hide. Start cutting now.
We need the sofa panels adjusted by 2 centimeters on the next run. Confirm that with the floor manager.
Rack 4, destination suitcase line. We have 3 oversized panels ready for pickup.
Confirmed, sending runner now. Check the lacquer on the reds.
Control, this is Alpha 7. Left branch clear for large goods. Send the next batch.
We need 3 more Navy panels, size 42. Over. Acknowledged. Adjusting the flow rate on the main line.
Alignment confirmed. Initiate bending sequence.
72 inches on the mark. Pressure is stable.
Check the seam on the navy panel. Applying pressure now. Make sure the alignment is exact before the press engages.
Check alignment on frame 9. We need maximum torque right on the corner. Over.
RD, confirm torque levels on the last batch.
Reading steady at 50 Newton meters, Charlie.
Check the torque on the handle brackets. T85, moving to the next unit. We need more black plates at station 4.
I need the measurements for the forest green.
It's a 42B. Check the rivets on the last batch.
Check alignment on batch 7. Torque levels at 980.
Reading confirmed. Handle mechanism is smooth.
Send the next unit down the line.
Station 3. All tests passed. Release for packing.
Over!
Dispatch 742 to loading dock. Confirm receipt of the black unit.
We need more boxes at station 4. Hurry up.
WPH-7 Gamma, Bay 4.
Confirm, loading now.
Check scanners on 7 Gamma.
Panel GFG12, moving to assembly. Check the edges on this green one. Dimensions confirmed, starting cut sequence.
Frame is aligned. Go ahead and activate the hydraulics. Roger that.
The measurement on the green panel is short.
Control, this is assembly. Panel code 4-7 confirmed.
Get the clamps ready for the bending frame.
Check pressure on mold 3. Pressure stable, proceed with the bend. Riveting team, stand by on the inner frame. Confirmed for the Emperor model. Over. Check the tension on the backrest, it's sagging slightly. Roger that. Applying more heat and stretch on sector C. Check the alignment on the navy blue sheet.
Section code WPH4B. Need more adhesive.
Confirmed. Panel side. Align the left edge, move it slightly right. Copy that. Applying pressure now. Check the gauges. 2.7 meters by 12.5. Check the grain on panel B.
Confirmed. B12. Start the alignment.
We need more chalk over here.
We need maximum pressure on the 9-foot panel.
Confirmed. Holding for final cure cycle. Diamond batch 14. Wave 22.
Wave.
Setting 7, pattern 4 alpha. Pressure stable.
We need more black foam on table 4. Copy that. Sending a stack over now. Make sure the grooves match the emboss.
The pressure is stabilizing at 2500 psi. Log batch 47B for 15 minutes.
This one is the 12-foot panel. We need the large oval set B next.
Finishing code 4-7. Rug grade double alpha.
Wide format batch A.
Finishing sequence complete on batch 9. Grade A.
Roger. Moving to drying rack.
Clear the deck, we're bringing it down. Pressure holding steady. 5 minutes until curing complete.
Check the contour on this burgundy panel. We need the touring foam specs, Roger.
And confirm the density code for station 3.
Check the tension on the touring grade. Looks solid from here, send the next one down. We need the XTP 5000s on line 3.
SUV XL, bench B2.
Check pattern B4, tension at 80. Confirmed. Model 7 cushion ready. Send the burgundy roll to station 3. Check alignment on the burgundy trim. Confirmed. Cutting at 33 degrees. Send the B12 batch. Check the 3mm curve on the burgundy trim.
Confirmed. 1.5 millimeter clearance achieved on the last batch.
Console pad 18. Confirm measurement.
310mm top trim. Curve offset 4mm. Check the trim on panel 4. Adjust by 1mm.
Roger that. Applying curvature code B6.
Long barrel XL 48. Confirm length. Length confirmed. Hunter Pro 52. Next up. Stitch length on the Magnum case is 40mm.
Confirming padding code 303.
Recurve XL 62. This one is ready for cutting. Copy that. Moving to station 3.
Check the depth on the curve. We need 20 degrees.
Machete cover 62.
Sheath XL 55, confirmed. Spear guard 48.
Safari XL 90. Field pack 72. 90 centimeters width. Base pad 30 millimeters. Strap tension confirmed, 500 pounds and steady.
Good copy. Stitch thickness is optimal.
Rider knee 48. Check the Ranger 50 shaft height.
Equestrian Pro 52, ready for heating.
We need size 42 tool on the press. Check the stitch lengths on the riders now. We are prepping the shafts for the Terrain Pro 55.
Copy that. Confirming Heavy Ranger 58 on line 3.
Send the oxblood panels to station 4. We're ready for lasting.
Confirmation on the reinforcement density for the size 11.
That's good, 55. Stop that. Don't flip it to 50.
Toe plate 12 millimeter. Triple stitch line B. Panel 82 centimeters.
Travel XL 70.
Base pad 4 centimeters thick.
Seam length is 7.2 inches, copy.
Roger that. Applying grade 9 reinforcement.
Length confirmed 110 by 95. Reinforcement thickness 7 millimeter.
Suitcase XL 110, Grand Travel 95.
WPH 7. Pressure reading at 40 psi. Check hinge.
Sofa Elite 300. Armchair Pro 150. We need the cushion depth right now.
Stretch 12. Seat tension 40. Clamp line A.